The Constitution of Zimbabwe is very clear. Section 328 and 328(7). If the Constitution of Zimbabwe is going to be amended to allow 7-year term, there should be a referendum. Saka pena mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi atikuna BBC Mzoranasi yakalista mafacts ekati the president and the government pamwe the ruling party ZANU-PF must comply with these regulations, otherwise nyika yeZimbabwe ingatoonekwa kuti yatova into a constitutional crisis kana akasafollow all these sections nemafacts ayalista panguva ino BBC. I was very much nyika yeZimbabwe ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira BBC vanotabira vachiti if Emmerson Mnangagwa is going to benefit, there should be another referendum. If the current parliamentarians are going to benefit, again another referendum is needed. The current judiciary, CIO, police, army bosses, terms will need another referendum. The Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 cannot be lawfully successful without 4 referendums. But if those who are pushing the bill decides to go without referendum, it means the Constitution of Zimbabwe will be violated. If the Constitution is violated, the defense forces of Zimbabwe through Section 212 will have to come in and defend the Constitution. If the defense forces ignores their duty of defending the Constitution, Emmerson Mnangagwa's government of after 2028 is going to be viewed as illegitimate world over, and Zimbabwe is going to be plugged into constitutional crisis. The economy will scream. Doma developments aripo nema warnings wapihwa kuna wakona weZANU-PF pachine government pauchiteni vemauto achinzi mukaramba makanyara panawo dzima amendments awa nema referendums. Nyika yese Zimbabwe airi kudefenda neari kurequire achiti aiwa tikuda mareferendum amungakwanisi kuita those changes musina kudzoka kwatiri sagara nyika yeZimbabwe. Mina kuma section medu dzafungura eni motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.